This fully automated toast sandwich production line. Realize toast slicing, multi-station spreading, sprinkling, and stacking. Ultrasonic precision cutting integrated operation. Automatic continuous production throughout the process. With stable and efficient production efficiency, 3,600 to 4,800 products are produced per hour. The whole process does not require a lot of manual intervention, significantly reducing manual input. Effectively reduce workshop labor costs. The equipment is equipped with PLC man-machine intelligent control system. Adopts servo frequency conversion precision drive. The weight of the filling is uniform, and the injection position is standard. Spread the filling flat, stack neatly, cut specifications. Supports triangular, rectangular, and various shapes. The product quality is unified and the quality is highly stable. The entire production line is highly compatible. Can freely switch peeled, non-peeled toast production. Support fast production changes of 2-piece and 3-piece laminated products. Suitable for salad dressings, jams, creams, meat floss, and other filling processes. The equipment is easy to operate and easy to debug. Supports multiple sets of recipes to store one-click calls. Suitable for the diversified production of all kinds of toast sandwiches. The equipment runs smoothly and supports long-term uninterrupted continuous operation. Self-diagnosis and prompt function. Low failure rate, simple maintenance, and strong durability. Automatic standby of empty materials saves energy and reduces consumption. And mechanical parts can be quickly disassembled, washed, and cleaned. Fully suitable for large-scale production of large, medium, and small food factories. It can seamlessly connect to various back and connected devices. Want to improve the production efficiency of toast sandwiches and enrich product categories? Unify production quality and achieve workshop automation upgrade. This fully automated toast sandwich production line. It is a high-quality choice for factories to increase production capacity, stabilize quality, and increase profits.